Hi food lovers, I'm Tommy. Welcome to my kitchen. Today we're gonna make a 100% homemade burger because we're gonna make our own burger buns, we're gonna make a burger sauce, we're gonna make our own patties. For this recipe we're gonna need 30 grams water plus water from the caramelized onions, 340 grams of all-purpose flour, 180 grams milk, 10 grams dry yeast, salt and black pepper, 1 egg plus 1 egg yolk, 60 grams of unsalted butter, 2 onions and tomatoes, 2 pickles, 130 grams of ketchup, 10 grams of Worcester sauce, 180 grams of mayonnaise, 35 grams plus 1 teaspoon of sugar, meat for the patties, cheddar cheese, bacon. Okay, let's get started. Burger buns are very important stuff about making a good burger. Actually, one of the most important components to the burger. So first we need to make the tank zone. This will make our buns much softer and much fluffier. Now in a small pot, let's measure 60 grams of milk, 30 grams of water and 20 grams of all-purpose flour. Set that on a medium heat and whisk that continuously until it gets thicker. It will happen pretty quickly. When it's ready, remove from the pan and set it on side to cool down a little bit. Now let's start with the dough. In a bowl of a stand mixer, let's combine 320 grams of all-purpose flour, then add 35 grams of sugar, 10 grams of salt and whisk that up. In a small bowl, measure 120 grams of milk and add 10 grams of dry yeast and mix that up a little bit. Now turn it on the mixer on low speed and add the milk and yeast mixture and mix it up for 2 minutes. Then add your tank zone followed by 1 whole egg and 1 egg yolk. Make sure that the eggs are at room temperature. Leave the dough to knead for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, add 30 grams of soft unsalted butter, which is also at room temperature, and let the dough knead for another 10 minutes. Now, on your working surface, add a little bit olive oil and take the dough out of the bowl and gently fold it until you get a nice ball. Look how beautiful the dough looks. Now get a plastic container and brush it up with olive oil, put your dough ball in and let it rest for 1.5 hours. Now while the dough is rising, let's make the most amazing burger sauce. First, let's dice 2 onions. Honestly, these onions made me cry, but I'm not gonna surrender. in a small pot, throw 30 grams of unsalted butter, bring it over medium heat, and while the butter is melting and bubbling, add the onions along with 1 teaspoon of sugar and half a teaspoon of salt. Add a little splash of water and let that cook for about 30 minutes. Stir it from time to time and add water if the pan gets too dry. Now finally dice 2 pickles. In a bowl, add 180 grams of mayo, 130 grams of ketchup, 10 grams of Worcester sauce, salt and black pepper, and combine them with the pickles. Set it aside and wait for the onions to be ready. Let's make our own patties. If you don't have a meat grinder, it is fine because you can always tell your butcher to grind the meat for you. Here I have veal ribs and veal shoulder, but if you like beef, you can use beef. It's your choice. I really love double burger, so I'm gonna make my patties very thin. Actually, for the one patty, I'm gonna use 50 grams of meat. Now the onions are ready, remove them from the pan and set them aside to cool down. Take the dough out of the container and divide it into pieces. Each piece should be weighed about 85 to 95 grams. Shape your dough balls by rotating 90 degrees in your hand and you should have a nice ball. Place them on a baking pan, press them gently with your hand and cover them up with another equally sized baking pan and leave them to rise up at room temperature for 1 hour. Now let's complete the burger sauce. Add the cooled onions and mix it well. This, guys, is the best burger sauce which you have ever tasted. Now our buns are ready to go to the oven. Lightly brush them with 1 whole egg and a splash of milk, and sprinkle them with sesame seeds if you like it. In preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 18 to 20 minutes or until golden brown. Let's fry our smoky bacon until it becomes crispy. So our buns are ready. Now take a little bit butter and melt it in the microwave and generously brush your lovely buns. Now it's time to build our burger. See how soft it is? It's wonderful. Open up the bun, put the wonderful sauce on both sides, put one piece of lettuce. Now in the same pan, when we fry the bacon, put 2 patties, salt them and fry them on medium heat. When they are ready on one side, turn them on another side and add a slice of cheddar on both. Cover them and let the cheese melt. Now look at this beauty. Now place them on top of the lettuce, cover them with a bacon and add a thin slice of tomato. And this is our perfect juicy homemade burger. Now I will make burgers for my whole team. Enjoy it! So guys, I hope you enjoyed. Tell us what you think about this recipe in a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe and click the like button, and don't forget, good food is good mood.